Edmonton police are speaking out after criticism on their policing efforts. This as honking filled the air in downtown Edmonton for the third straight weekend in a row. Even after the city was granted a temporary noise injunction.
The injunction does not grant us any more power than we currently have through existing bylaws. And the power it does grant us is simply to arrest and remove.
The chief was asked why so few tickets were handed out at the protest.
I think what you're looking for is for us to put people in jail for honking their horns and
looking for you to enforce the law, sir.
Chief McPhee says officers wrote 10 tickets Saturday, while another 60 will be sent out in the mail. Edmonton police say their objective when handling the convoy was to keep everyone safe and to keep traffic moving to ensure emergency vehicles could respond to calls if need be. That includes removing counter-protesters from the River Valley Road. That group had intended to stop the convoy in its tracks.
Every time there's a stoppage in a large moving protest with vehicles, there's danger to those individuals as well.
EPS says when they step in, although people might not think it's for the right reasons, it's what the commander thought was necessary at the time.
Anytime we get protesters and counter-protests together, we never know what is going to transpire. It is our goal to try and keep those parties apart.
The Edmonton Police Service says police presence and enforcement goes well beyond the officers you see enforcing the law on the street, and say they are aware of another convoy this weekend and will plan accordingly. In Edmonton, Laura Krause, City News.